How to enable Bluetooth on your MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Preferences option. You will then see the dock and menu bar option. Tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the Bluetooth option from the left side dashboard and further select the Show in Menu Bar checkbox you see there in order to add Bluetooth icon on your menu bar. Once added, tap on the Bluetooth icon and further go ahead and toggle on the Bluetooth toggle button in order to enable Bluetooth on your MacBook. You can also tap on your control center from the menu bar itself and enable or disable Bluetooth from there too. So, this is how you can enable Bluetooth on your MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.